We can't control the temperature outside, but inside, M&H Air keeps the temperature just right. M&H Air is your one-stop domestic and commercial air conditioning specialist. M&H Air maintain what they install with their 24-hour at-call service division. Free call Temperzone's authorised dealer. M&H Air, local people offering exceptional service, and secure your free on-site quote today. M&H Air, all year round living comfort. Call M&H Air, your local Temperzone air conditioning experts, for sales, installation and service on all Temperzone split system and ducted air conditioning. Call 1800 444 911 for service.
M&H Air.
Call M&H Air, your local Dakin air conditioning experts, for sales, installation and service on all Dakin split system and ducted air conditioning. Call 1800 444 911 for service.
M&H Air.
Your Dakin inverter air conditioner knows when you leave the room, so it subtly adjusts the temperature. And when you return, goes gently back to your original level. It knows what you want because it has an intelligence ordinary air conditioners don't have.
Thanks for the coffee, Anne.
What coffee?
The highly intelligent Dakin inverter. Think Dakin. It can.
We can't control the temperature outside, but inside, M&H Air keeps the temperature just right. M&H Air is your one-stop domestic and commercial air conditioning shop. M&H Air maintain what they install with their 24-hour at-call service division. Free call Dakin's #1 dealer, M&H Air. Local people offering exceptional service, and secure your free quote today.
You feel so comfortable with that.
M&H Air, all year round living comfort.